Ben said I had to start the camera up. So here you go, Ben.
Yes, I did.
Hello Queens, welcome back to another fantastic week with last night in the game. Once again, you already know the deal with that. Hello, so Ben is buying breakfast. It's currently my birthday. It's my birth week, bitch, birth month. We went to Charlene's Diner, but she was shut down. She was closed because of her freaking power. So we're going to the second best, I guess you want to say, Dean's Diner. Do you like Dean's more? Drag her, slay her. We'll check in later. Also, this hair is atrocious. There's no gel because I didn't have any. Oh my God, big boy breakfast, big boy breakfast, big boy breakfast. Crepes.
That's yours, son? Thank you.
We're all here. We're all done eating. Hi.
Hi, how are ya?
He's taking the full thing. This is the after party to our dinner that I slightly showed.
Why are you filming me? Yeah.
Because I can. It's my channel.
Birthday.
Actually, happy birthday, because by the time this comes out, it's going to be your birthday too.
Yeah,
so.
happy birthday, Ben.
Happy birthday.
22.
I don't know about you. I'm feeling 22.
We really like you, but that was terrible.
So I literally just came home from work. I had 3 hours of sleep last night going to work. Girl, I still have freaking mascara on my eyes. We're just a mess today, but you know, girl, I don't care. I'm going to take a nap. However, I came home to put my presents away and whatever, and my friend Des accordioned these $1 bills. So I have to go and unfold these. One by freaking one, girl. Sis, thank you for the bills, but at the same time, this is extra. This is a lot. Bitch, don't have time for this. But thank you. I just had to show this because, girl, this is mad. They're taped. It's taped. Okay, I did not know it was taped, bitch. But here we are with a scarf of dollars. Fall line 2020 DG Customs. Girl, throw it over your shoulder. We have bills. You want $1? Take one off my scarf. You can't pay for dinner? Take a couple bills off my scarf. Girl, so hi, how are ya? This is vacation. This is Davon on vacation. This is a let's take California over, girl. So yes, we are going to California. If you follow me on Twitter, or I think I mentioned it in a previous video before, I'm going to California, girls. Me and my best friend Kelsey are going to San Diego. Right now, I'm just packing and I haven't started the process. I leave in a day and 11 hours. Now that may seem like a lot of time to pack, girl, but I literally have to work tomorrow, and then I get home at midnight and I have to leave my house at 3 a.m. to then go catch a flight for 6. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna start the packing process. I'm doing laundry to get some stuff clean, but I do have a whole section in my closet of new clothes that I'm bringing to California, but I'm also gonna bring some old stuff, you know, recycle, repurpose, reuse. I'm going for 7 days. Now, if you follow me for a long time and you've been in this channel, when me and Kelsey went for a day, actually 2 days, 1 night in New York, I bought a whole medium suitcase for a night and 2 days. They all brought duffel bags and backpacks and stuff. Nope, I literally brought a whole luggage set. So guys, I have to show you something really funny. This is what I'm bringing, a medium-sized suitcase. And then this is Kelsey's bag. She's bringing a book bag, bitch. So I can just imagine for 7 days, plus makeup, plus shoes, I have hats, I have just a lot. There's just a lot to pack. So let me pull my luggage out, and then once I'm like in the middle of the process, I'll give you guys an update about where I am, and this is gonna be fun. Okay, sis, so we done organized basically all the clothes that I'm bringing, other than like 2 pairs of jeans, I think, that are in the washing machine right now. But everything else, basically, she's all laid out. But girl, you would think I'm going for 2 weeks. If I was going for 2 weeks, I'd be scared to see what I'd bring, because I'm gonna be paying so much money in luggage, it's unreal. Here we go with just 2 cute little piles. That's all we're doing. Just kidding, girl. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of shoes, plus what I'm gonna be wearing on my feet. We have 3 piles of undershirts, 2 piles of underwear, 2 bathing suits, leggings and stuff, 2 pairs of shorts, one's in the washing machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, and more coming of shirts, like 7 different freaking tank tops, 7 different button-ups, 5 different sweatshirts, 5 pairs of pants, 3 hats. Girl, What is my problem? So here's the dilemma, guys. I packed this suitcase. As you can see, it's a little bulgy, filled to the brim. And then I do have my backpack, which I'm bringing as a personal item, and then this carry-on right here. However, I don't know if I want to spend an extra $40 and bring a medium-sized suitcase and put my shoes there and whatever else I want to put in there, so I have more room in this. Only because I'm thinking ahead, like I'm gonna buy stuff, maybe clothing, maybe whatever I buy in San Diego. I'm thinking of just spending the extra money up front and just having an extra suitcase just to bring. It's a bit later. We're done packing, I believe. This is it. There's 4 bags. We got the personal book bag, got the carry-on, which is right here. This is the main luggage, obviously, but these 2 are gonna be the check bags that go under the plane. Girl, this is gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot. Girl, it is time to leave. Actually, I have like 20 minutes before I have to leave to go catch the airplane. I'm tired, girl. I literally only had like not even a 2 hour. I had like an hour and a half power nap. Now we're headed off to the airport. Hopefully I can sleep on the plane. I'm probably gonna sleep on the way up to the airport because my uncle's dropping me off. North California. This is so comfortable. I'm literally just wearing sweatpants and this little Teddy Sherpa moment. And yeah. Well, y'all, I've made it to the airport, obviously, as you can tell. We're walking to my terminal now, girl. I can't wait to be in California. Coming up on DG Vacay, Besties Take San Diego. Guys, look how gorgeous this is. Wait, I think this is the bay. Obviously, this is not an ocean.